Unit 5. Free time. Lesson 9. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to extend the focus on social science through English and to complete a project. Activity 1. A. Project. Before we proceed, let's learn new word. Hours. What is 2 hours? What is 1 hour? Look at the picture. What do you think they are doing? Yes. They are asking and answering questions about how many hours they do certain activities a week. Listen.
How many hours a week do you do sport?
I do sport 4 hours a week.
Listen and repeat.
How many hours a week do you do sport?
I do sport 4 hours a week.
Look at the table. These are free time activities. These are the duration of your friends' activities. You are going to do a class survey to fill the table. Listen to the example.
How many hours a week do you watch TV?
I watch TV 6 hours a week.
How many hours a week do you play with friends?
I play with friends 5 hours a week.
How many hours a week you read books?
I read books 7 hours a week.
How many hours a week you play computer games?
I play computer games 2 hours a week.
Copy the table in your notebook. Then, do the class survey. You may use the following key phrases. Activity 1. B. Choose one activity from the table and do the bar chart of that activity. Refer to your completed table to make a bar chart. Write the name of the activity of your choice. Then, draw horizontal and vertical lines. Refer to the table and write the hours here. Write the numbers here. Count the number of students who chose the 1 or 2 hours. Cut a colored paper and stick it according to the number of students. You may also draw the bar and color it later. Repeat this with the other hours. When you're done, present it to the class. Listen.
4 people do sport 3 or 4 hours a week.
Listen and repeat.
4 people do sport 3 or 4 hours a week.
Listen to more examples.
7 people watch TV 1 or 2 hours a week. 5 people watch TV 3 or 4 hours a week. 4 people watch TV 5 or 6 hours a week. 2 people watch TV 7 or more hours a week.